Hi friends, it's Miss Stephanie with this week's math lesson. Today we're going to get a little messy. I'm going to have a little fun exploring numbers, okay? We have, and maybe even some shapes. So this is all stuff you might have around the house. We have shaving cream, and if you don't have it in the house, you can get it at Dollar Tree. Little baking sheets, some craft sticks, paintbrush, and I don't know if you'll find food coloring at Dollar Tree, you might, but you can make it a little fun with the colors that I have here. Let's see. We have purple food coloring and pink and blue, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just squirt a bunch of shaving cream. Now you can use a tray like this, or you can use a paper plate, or you can use both, okay? I think I'm gonna use both because what I might do on my plate is my numbers, and what I think I'm going to do on my tray are my shapes, okay? So let's start by talking about what shape my tray is. Do you know what shape this is? It is a rectangle. Very smart. This and this side are longer than this side and this side, okay? So that makes it a rectangle. So we're going to use a plate also. What shape is the plate? It's a circle. Very smart. So what I'm going to do now is put a little shaving cream on my plate. Ooh. Sometimes you have to hold it a certain way, okay? And then I'm going to put some on my tray as well. Oh, yeah, I think you have to hold it standing up so it comes out right. Look at that. That's so fun. Okay. And now I am going to add some color. What color should I make the shaving cream on this plate? I think I'm going to choose pink. Okay. So I'm going to make my shaving cream for my numbers pink. So I'm going to give it a couple drops. This is gel coloring, okay? And then what I can do is start to stir it around. I'm going to use my craft stick for the plate, and I will use my, look at it happening. Oh my goodness, look at this happening here. It's so vibrant. Oh my goodness. So much fun. So, you can use the craft stick for this plate of shaving cream with like this nice swirly marbleized looking pink foam thanks to our shaving cream and gel food colorings. Okay, and again, you can keep it white. You can maybe even add watercolor paints. I've never tried that, but food coloring will stain a little bit on your hands for a little while, but it eventually comes off. So fluffy and fun. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna kind of thin it out, make it a thin layer on the plate, and then we can start making our numbers, okay? So I'm gonna let it reach the sides a little bit, and now I'm gonna do number 1, okay? You can scoop it so you can really see it, and then you can cover it up and write another number. I'm gonna try and thin this out again. And again, you're gonna get messy. I mean, my craft stick is almost completely covered. And yep, I've got some pink shaving cream and food coloring on my fingers, but that's okay because it's good sensory fun and you're learning about numbers. Okay, so we used 1 drop and we got this amazing color. So let's take a look now and see what other numbers we can make. I'm doing this upside down. You know what? I'm gonna model it like this so you can learn how to do it the right way. Is that a number 2? It is. And then we can thin it out. And it's not gonna be perfect. It's just practice going through the motions and sensory fun. All right, you can do, here, what I might do, you can really use anything. to help you. I'm actually gonna grab, one of my markers is losing ink. So I'm gonna use a marker. Oh, I know. You can use a utensil. This is a spoon. So you can use this to kind of scoop the shaving cream in the direction you want it to make your number. I made number 3. And then you just kind of plop it back on, or you can play with it with your hands. Some of my friends love to play with shaving cream with their hands and get all messy. I am trying to resist doing that so I can do the tray now. I don't mind getting messy at all. It is so much fun, especially when I see my students having fun. All right, so I think I'm going to do blue for this tray. And again, you want to use the same idea. I'm going to use this big paintbrush here. Feels like it's falling apart, this paintbrush. But what I'm going to do is add my color, 1 drop. Look how pink I am, so silly. 1 drop, and we're gonna mix it in and see what color, what shade of blue we get, okay? Ooh, look at it, it's starting already. So much fun. Look at this. Just 1 little drop and we get so much amazing color. I love it. All right, and there's a lot more on this tray, a lot more shaving cream. So it's a little pale of a blue, but it's still so, so awesome. And it's kind of that marble looking blue, okay? And now I'm gonna kind of thin it out so we can start making shapes in our shaving cream, okay? Let's do it. All right, still a little white underneath, but that's okay. It's a-okay. All right. So what shape should I make first? I think I'm going to start with a triangle. What do you think? Let's do it. I'm doing this upside down, but this triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, and 3. I made a triangle in my shaving cream. Does it have to be perfect? Absolutely not, because it's a messy, fun, sensory craft, and you can mix it up and make the next shape that you want to make. Let's see. We are going to make, oh, I know. I want you to guess what shape I'm making. It's going to be tough. It's going to be really tough because it's so messy, but I bet you can do it. You ready? I'm going to do it this way. So this way. I'm not trying to do anything upside down. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's just the way it's going to be. Okay, ready? Oh boy, what shape did I make? A heart. That's right. I made a blue heart. So you can go back and forth. And should I only make shapes in the blue? No, because look, I can also make numbers here. It's upside down stuff. All right. Thanks for bearing with me, guys. I'm just thinning it out a little more so I can make a number here. And then maybe on the pink plate, I can make another shape. So, what number? That's right, number 4. Awesome, guys. All right, so this is some good, some messy fun. I'm gonna go back to my pink plate. See, it's how it's drying up a little bit, but not terrible. It's still pretty foamy and fluffy, so I'm gonna thin it out again. And like I said, if you really wanna get down to the sensory piece of it, use your little finger and go for it, okay? And because I'm bringing this to an end, I'm going to get messy now. All right, here we go. I'm gonna make my shape and I need you to guess what it is. Okay, so far we did a triangle and a heart. Get ready. made a circle. That's right. I made a circle. So I'm gonna mess this up. I'm gonna get this off my finger. And what I can do with my circle then is do what? 1, 2, I don't know if that's gonna work. I was gonna make a little face. Yeah, it came out okay. Not bad. Pretty fun, right? All right, so many ways to explore numbers and shapes. This is a really fun sensory one, and I hope you enjoyed it. And this is the best part about this is that it cleans right up, goes right down the drain, the shaving cream, and I still have so much left. Okay, it goes a long way. Have a great week, everyone. See you next week.